Damn. Oh, shoot. What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're looking at all my favorite sport cars. We can search up anyone we up here. So right here we have a Mercedes. What kind of Mercedes is this? It doesn't tell you. What says up here? A Mercedes AMG. It has another sports car. It's a sports car. Some of them have wing doors. Some of them don't. So, what was the horsepower? Oh yeah, the horsepower it goes up to about 600 miles per hour. If I'm telling the truth or not, I don't know. If you don't know what kind of this car is, my God, just so beautiful. This is a Corvette. I don't know the horsepower of that. This is a Nissan right here. It's not a GTR. I don't know how much. What? We have the Audi C63. And we have the Lamborghini Aventador. Yeah, this is the Aventador. That's just drawn. That's painted. Like on a... Woo. These are my favorite cars right here. Challengers. The Dodge Challenger. Ooh, the Ferrari. I just woke up in my new Ferrari. I don't know how to sing it. That's the old Lamborghini. There's the Lamborghini Huracan racetrack racer. Here's I think this is 2018 or 2017. Mustang. Look at the Porsche. Old-fashioned Porsche. Lamborghini Aventador. Audi. I don't know what kind of car is that. Ooh. This is the kind with the wing doors. Or the butterfly doors. That's how you call it. There's the button to start out the whole car. Oh, these are fast. What are these called? I think that's a Kona. Guys, comment down in the comments. Is that a Kona exec or a different car? I don't know. We have a Ferrari and another Ferrari race. Ooh, damn! The Aventador Lamborghini and the McLaren. Man, my little friend sees this, he's gonna go bombs. It's gonna be like bombs away. He'll be in the McLaren. I'll be in the Aventador. Corvette. The inside of an Audi. The heck? I haven't seen an Audi like that. Well, in England you can find one. Look at that thing. Ooh, it combines with the Mercedes. Hey. Damn. Whose is this? Man. Comment down in the comments what you think that is. I know what it is. You kind of tell on the side on the wheels, I think. It's a BMW. See? As I noticed those lights. See how those BMWs have those lights? Ooh, Mercedes. Ooh, Camaro. Another Ferrari. BMW, Mercedes, Ferrari. Yeah, that's the sports cars, and I don't know what it's called. What the is that? Okay. Ooh, military. Is it the Gucci or the military? But no, look at this Nissan. No, man. The BMW race car. That thing is on point. Oh, we are done. Let's check. We didn't really see the fastest car in the world, which is a Bugatti. Bug- Guys, how you spell Bugatti? Bugatti. Damn it. B something? Boo. Is this how you spell it? Boo. Ga. T? That's how I'm thinking. Oh, man. Yes, that's how you spell it. I think. That's a Bugatti? That's the fastest car in the world right now? No. Well, in Cuba, this is a Bugatti. Now, that's the Bugatti. This is the fastest car in the world. Look at that one. Look at those mufflers. But that view, though, man. Man, if I had a Bugatti, we'll be popping.
Dime. Hello. ¿Qué pasó? Voy ahora.
Okay, that's it for the video, guys. Make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, leave a like, and comment down below. What's your favorite car? It can be any car in the world. Bye.